It's vegan recipes with Pat and Emily.
Today I'm going to show you how to make the best ever vegan mashed potatoes. These potatoes were so awesome I was able to serve them to my family Thanksgiving Day, and nobody knew that there was no butter and no cream. My ingredient list is baked russet potatoes, baked golden Yukon potatoes, salt, pepper, and soy milk, which gives it a nice rich flavor. So here we go. I've roasted the potatoes, and I found that roasting the potatoes will make them fluffier. And you can save the potato skins to make stuffed potato skins later. You want to bake these potatoes and work with them fairly hot. So you might see I'm passing the hot potato at times. Here's another russet potato. And these babies are really hot. That's how you want them, so that they will be fluffy and light. Here's a golden Yukon. You can see the color is a little bit different. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of these, but this is a key element for these potatoes being so fluffy and rich tasting. In general, I think if you find you roast your vegetables, they're going to have a richer flavor than if you boil them, and even if you saute them. So at this point, I have the potatoes out of the skin, and I'm going to start mashing them. First thing I'm going to do is press them down with my mixer blades. These are so well cooked, you could use a hand masher. Take note that as I'm mashing them, they are forming almost like a ball, and that's showing me that they are mashed enough. At this point, I'm putting my seasoning in. That is salt and pepper. Of course, if you are SOS vegan, you do not have to put the salt in. You might want to just use pepper. I'm using a shelf-stable soy milk. Of course, once you open it, you will have to refrigerate it. This is at room temperature, and you may want to heat your soy milk if yours is cold. This recipe will take about 1/2 cup of soy milk. I'm not measuring it because everybody may like a different consistency. Okay, these potatoes actually took a little more soy milk than expected. They were absorbing it and taking it in, but they look to be the right consistency right now. Look how creamy. Of course, it's time to taste them. Oh my goodness, I could eat the whole bowl. So rich, so creamy, they even taste buttery. So go ahead and try them yourself. And I'm using this type of shelf-stable soy milk. So okay. I'm using a